So we're going to head through to another building now. This is our ATC, which stands for Advanced Technology Centre. This is where we hold all of our engineering classes and all of our workshops are in here as well. So we're going to have a little look at aeronautical engineering. So aeronautical engineering is quite an in-depth subject. You've really got to have your maths, your science, your English. The grades are quite high. You can find all of this in the prospectus as well. You can see that they've obviously got the small private planes here just to have a little look at. They've also got some of the engines as well. We're going to head through to our manufacturing engineering now. Which has quite a lot of our equipment in. I'm going to head on through. So we've got various levels of engineering, depending on if you want to go to aeronautical, manufacturing or electrical. So we're going to head through and have a little look at electrical. So again, really big workshop. They've really got the technology in here that the students can use to develop their skills further. Here we have just some of the equipment that the students have been using. A lot of the students get involved with STEM activities, so anything involved with your science, technology, engineering and maths, then students will normally be involved helping out as well.